Hello everyone, welcome to English Learning Studio. Today we are going to watch a realistic English conversation about arriving in a foreign country and going to a hotel from the airport. In this video, you will hear natural daily English between two travelers as they leave the airport, book a ride, talk during the journey, and finally arrive at their hotel. Please relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the conversation. Today's question: how much does the Uber ride cost? Listen carefully. The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comment section. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay. Let's begin.
Wow, finally.
Yeah, we actually made it out.
I thought the airport process would never end.
Seriously, immigration alone took almost an hour.
And then baggage claim.
Don't remind me. I was honestly scared our luggage got lost.
Same here. When the bags took so long, I started imagining the worst.
I was already thinking about buying new clothes tomorrow.
That would have been expensive.
Exactly.
My body feels so tired right now.
Yeah, long flights always make me feel weird.
Especially when you barely sleep.
I don't think I slept more than 1 hour on the plane.
Same. Every time I almost fell asleep, someone walked past or made noise.
And those airplane seats are so uncomfortable.
Seriously, my neck still hurts.
Honestly, it feels exciting to finally be here.
Yeah, now that we're outside the airport, it finally feels real.
Everything looks so different.
The air feels different too somehow.
You always say things like that when we travel.
Because it's true.
I still can't believe we're in another country right now.
Same. A few hours ago we were sitting at home. Now we're here.
Traveling always feels strange like that.
There are so many people outside the airport.
Yeah, and look at all those taxis.
Honestly, right now I just want to reach the hotel, take a shower, and sleep.
Same here.
But first, we need to figure out how we're getting there.
So, what do you think? Taxi? Train? Bus? The train is probably cheaper.
Yeah, but honestly, I don't think I can handle a crowded train right now.
Same.
Especially with these heavy suitcases.
Yeah, dragging luggage through train stations sounds exhausting.
And imagine getting lost underground after this long flight.
That would be a disaster.
Exactly.
But airport taxis are usually expensive.
True.
Maybe Uber would be better.
Yeah, Uber sounds like the safest option.
And probably more comfortable too.
Definitely.
I also don't really want to explain directions to a random taxi driver right now.
Good point.
At least with Uber, the hotel address is already in the app.
Yeah, that makes things easier.
Let me check the hotel distance first.
Okay.
It says the hotel is around 30 minutes away.
That's actually not too bad.
Unless traffic gets crazy.
This city probably always has traffic.
True.
What was the hotel name again?
The Grand Central Hotel.
Oh yeah, the room photos looked really nice online.
I just hope the room actually looks like the pictures.
Yeah, hotel websites can be very misleading sometimes.
Exactly.
Remember that hotel from our last trip?
Oh no, don't remind me.
The room looked huge online.
And in real life, it looked like a closet.
Exactly.
At least this hotel had good reviews.
Yeah, that makes me feel better.
All right, I'm opening the Uber app now. Okay, let's see.
What are the prices looking like?
The regular Uber is $38.
Honestly, that's not as bad as I expected.
Yeah. Airport taxis would probably charge more.
Especially late at night.
There's also a larger car option for $54.
No way!
Yeah, definitely too expensive.
We only have 2 suitcases. A normal car is fine.
That's what I was thinking too.
How many minutes away is the driver?
About 5 minutes?
That's pretty quick, actually.
Should I confirm the ride?
Yeah, book it.
Okay, done.
Nice.
The driver's name is Daniel.
What car?
A black Toyota Camry.
All right.
Oh, wait.
What happened?
The pickup point is across the street.
Seriously?
Yeah. Airport pickup areas are always confusing.
Why does traveling always involve so much walking?
Because airports are secretly designed to test human patience.
Honestly, I believe that.
The pickup point is near Gate B.
All right, let's go there.
Careful with your suitcase. The ground is uneven here.
Yeah, I noticed.
There are so many people waiting for rides.
Yeah, everyone looks tired.
That's airport life.
Honestly, I can't wait to sit inside the car.
Same. My shoulders hurt from carrying this backpack.
You pack too much stuff.
Excuse me? Most of this luggage is yours.
Okay, maybe half?
Exactly.
Wait, is that our car?
No. Wrong license plate.
Good thing you checked.
Yeah. Never enter the wrong Uber.
Especially in another country.
Exactly.
Oh, wait. Now it says arriving in 1 minute.
Perfect timing.
I think the car is almost here. It says arriving in less than a minute.
Finally. I was starting to feel like we've been standing here forever.
Yeah, and the wind is a bit cold too. I didn't expect that.
Same. After the plane and airport, I thought I would just sit immediately.
But airports always make you walk more than expected.
True. And these bags are getting heavier every minute.
Maybe because we're more tired now.
Yeah, tiredness makes everything feel heavier.
I just want to sit in the car, relax, and not think about anything for a while.
Same. Just silence and AC would be perfect right now.
Hello. Uber for Alex?
Yes, that's me.
Great. I'll take your luggage.
Thank you so much. We really appreciate it.
No problem. Long flight?
Yeah, very long. We've been traveling almost the whole day.
I can tell. You both look really tired.
Yeah, we barely slept on the plane.
That's normal. Most travelers feel like that.
Honestly, I just want to reach the hotel and sleep for hours.
Don't worry. It's not far from here.
That's good. We were a bit worried about distance.
Traffic is light now, so it should be a smooth ride.
Perfect. That's exactly what we need right now. Finally, sitting down feels like a blessing.
Seriously. I didn't realize how tired I was until I sat here.
This seat feels way more comfortable than the plane.
Yeah, airplane seats should not even be called seats.
True. They're more like survival tools.
And my neck is still stiff from sleeping awkwardly.
Same here. I kept waking up every hour.
But now look outside. The city already looks so alive.
Yeah, even at night it feels busy and full of energy.
It's kind of exciting, though. New place, new everything.
I agree. Even though I'm exhausted, I still feel happy.
That's the weird part of traveling. Tired but excited at the same time.
Exactly.
We're almost there now. Oh, really? That was actually quicker than I thought. Yeah, traffic is quite smooth tonight. Well, that's good. After everything today, smooth is exactly what we needed. You're staying at the Grand Central Hotel, right? Yes, that's correct. Good hotel. Many tourists stay there. Oh, nice. That makes me feel better. You'll probably like the view from the rooms. We really hope so. We saw some pictures online. Real life is usually even better. I hope so. Is that the building ahead? Yes, that's your hotel. Wow! It actually looks beautiful in real life. All right, here we are. Perfect. Thank you so much.
All right, we've arrived at the hotel.
Yes, sir. This is your destination.
Oh, great. Thank you.
I'll help you with the luggage.
Thanks. I appreciate it. Finally, long journey is over.
Was the ride comfortable?
Yeah, actually it was smooth. I'm just a bit tired from the flight.
That's understandable. Long flights can be exhausting.
Exactly. So, how do I pay? Through the app or cash?
You can pay through the app. It's already linked to your booking.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see it here. Payment pending completion.
Once you confirm, it will be automatically deducted.
All right, I've confirmed it. Okay, it says payment completed now.
Perfect. Everything is done.
Thank you so much for the ride.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay in the city.
Yeah, thank you. Have a good night.
You too.
Okay, finally made it. Now I just need to go inside and rest.
Finally, after such a long journey, we made it.
Yeah, it honestly feels so relaxing to finally stand here.
From the airport lines, to luggage, to the ride, today felt really long.
True, but now all the stress is finally gone.
And the hotel actually looks beautiful.
Yeah, this place already feels comfortable.
I think tonight we really need good rest.
Definitely. Tomorrow we can finally enjoy the city properly.
Okay, let's go to hotel.
Okay, let's go.
How was today's journey? After a long flight, airport stress, heavy luggage, and a late-night ride, Alex and Zara finally arrived safely at their hotel. Traveling to a new country can feel exciting, tiring, and sometimes a little stressful too. But moments like these help us learn real-life English in a natural way. Now, here's today's question again. How much did the Uber ride cost? Did you hear the answer? Write it in the comment section below. If you want to improve your English speaking and listening skills through realistic daily conversations, then this channel is for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more realistic English conversations. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.